You think you own whatever land you land on. The earth is just a dead thing you can claim. But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. Hi kids, I'm Jazz, and yeah, I'm really excited. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video, and also follow me on Instagram. I will put my name down in the description box below and also at the end of this video. All of my returning viewers / subscribers, welcome back. So, it's an unboxing, but not really, because I was so excited. I already unboxed it. I really wanted to take this to work today, and I did, so I unboxed it already. So this is going to be more of a show and tell and a quick little description about the product. I do also want to say that I am not sponsored in this video. They didn't send this to me for free or anything, although that would be really cool. Nobody would like to sponsor this. It's okay. I paid for this with my own money. I'm obsessed. Pocahontas always has been and always will be my favorite Disney princess, and I know a lot of people are triggered when they say that Pocahontas is a princess because technically she's not, but in my eyes she is. I have a Pocahontas inspired tattoo. Yeah. So this is the Colors of the Wind collection, and I did order the purse and the wallet because, again, I am obsessed. So this is the wallet. The detailing is really awesome. Just the embroidery of the leaves and the colors is just so beautiful. There's the little compass and your little tassels. Oh my god, there's something in my eye. I don't really know what the material is. I think it's that PU leather or PU leather, I don't know. But it's really soft. There's Nico inside, he's stamped inside. Yeah, it's got lots of crazy little pockets in there. I have no money. So the quality on the wallet is very nice. The purse is just absolutely spectacular. At first, I only wanted the purse, but then I was like, if I'm gonna buy the purse, I need to get the matching wallet. This is so beautiful. Look at the leaves are embroidered on there. And then it's just this very like soft, again, I don't know the material. And it's a pretty decent sized bag. It's a nice little crossbody or over the shoulder or whatnot purse. It's not too big to make me feel like I have to just throw stuff inside just to fill it. But then it's also not that small where I can fit my essentials and whatnot. It's kind of empty inside, but it's got like the leaves, the zippers. It's got an extra little pocket in here, which I use to house my crystal of the day, which is clear quartz. And then the flappy part is the same design, it's just not, there's no leaves. And this is the strap, and that's it, really. The only thing that I would have to say about this purse, and it's technically my fault, so inside there's a giant tag. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a really like long, thick, annoying tag. So I thought it was a pull away tag, and I grabbed it and ripped it out of the purse. Unfortunately though, I ripped the lining of the purse while I was doing so. It can be fixed. I'd have to just glue it, but I mean, kind of, oh my goodness, hi bud. I didn't even see him. That's one of the stray cats that we feed. He's watching me. He's getting real close. He usually doesn't come that close. Yes, I ripped the lining of the purse by accident on the first day, so that really upset me, but I mean, it's nothing that can't be fixed. So that's it. Again, it wasn't an unboxing because I was just really excited to wear my purse to work today. So I opened it the day that I got it, which was yesterday, and yeah. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comment section below and I will try to answer them. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for this with my own money. If I remember correctly, the purse was like $60 or $70. Oh my god, there goes the wind. And the wallet was like $40 or $50. I don't honestly remember off the top of my head, but I will put the website link in my bio description box. I don't even really know what words are anymore. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I will put my information right here yonder for you, as well as in the box down below. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe. Did I ask for that yet? I don't even know. I'm just so excited. But please subscribe. The button is down below and you can catch this lovely, awesome, wonderful, fantastic person. Bye guys. Stay safe, take care, have fun, and remember, I know a lot of us are still in quarantine. I actually just entered my second round. Today was my last day of work. We're entering a second lockdown, and I know it's really tough. I know it was really difficult to handle the first time around, but I'm really excited for this time because it's going to give me an opportunity to work on things that I wanted to work on quarantine round one, and now I'm gonna actually be able to do those things, so I'm really excited for that. Alrighty guys, so I'm just gonna stop talking because I feel like I talk so much. Anyways, okay, just remember, if you are in lockdown or quarantine or whatever, I know it's tough, but you just have to stay strong, and you know, just if you feel like that you're not really being successful during this time, a lot of people aren't, and just also remember that the internet is just like a one-sided mirror. Is that a good analogy? I don't know. You usually only get to see certain parts of a person's life through social media, and just remember that they're probably struggling just as much as, if not more than you. And don't let that get you down. If you can, check up on your friends and family. You know, it's not a need. It's not oh my god, I'm a bad person because I can't or because I haven't. If you have the energy and the time, do it, but you don't have to. Anyways, I'm gonna go now. Okay, bye.